expecting you. Get one, the eyes of the gods. I call for you. I've been having bad dreams about my wife here. I wish you could tell me something about it.
Greetings,
Yes.
my king and the people of Mama Kingdom.
You are welcome.
My king,
Yes.
the dreams you have been having since are not just ordinary dreams. It's the gods of our land that is trying to show you who truly your wife is. And she must confess or she must die after 3 market days. Lola, confess! No, I have nothing to confess! Lola, confess! I said no, I have nothing to confess! Lola, come on in to confess! Oh, my king, I will confess! I will confess! I will confess! I'm sorry. Yes. Son, the prince is not your bed and you can't stop. Princess, you pay for I told him I want to be the next queen of this kingdom. He asked me to sleep with him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How you get to you be mother?
God, I'm sorry.
After all the good things my father have done for you. I wish you were never my mother.
Woman, after all I have done for you these past years, you have been lying to me about our son. Woman, you are going to be banished from this kingdom.
Yes! You must be punished! Go out! Go out! Go out! We don't need you! Go out! Evil woman!
God,
Go out!
take this thing out of my kingdom.
Go out! Evil woman! Go out! Go out! Everybody down!
Women could be so cruel. Oh my God.
Greetings, my father.
Oh, greetings, my son. How are you doing? My son, sit down, sit down, sit down. My son, how can I help you?
I am here to discuss about the obvious acts my mother did.
Don't worry, my son. I'm the king of this land, and the gods know why they choose me as the anchor of this land. Don't worry. I have any kind of obstacle that comes my way. I wish I can bear it without no fear. So don't worry, my son. Don't worry. Don't worry, my son. God, go call me the priestess, please. Yes, my priestess. I call for you again, the eyes of the gods. The wisdom rises from your head to your toe. My priestess, I call for you because I'm worried. As a king, I need a woman in my chambers. I cannot go vacant like that. As our people say, there is no smoke without fire. I need to make a hay while the sun goes. My king, my priestess, I need you to call for a marriage ceremony. Because as the king, I need a woman, to bear with me in the room. So I need you to call the maidens for me for a marriage ceremony.
Yes, my king.
Yes.
Your wish shall be granted.
As
I shall pay my king.
the ladies.
Hey! Attention, attention, attention. All the evil... Hey! Hey! Attention! attention. All the Igbo people, I greet you all. The king is... Attention! The people of Omama village, the king is expecting all the ladies to be in the palace today as he will be selecting his new bride.
My son. The people of, I don't know which one. I hereby present you my wife. Beautiful. The sugar in my tea. The cockroach in my toilet. As we Fanta Plus leaders discuss, me and my wife will lead to the room. You know, huh?
DJ, what DJ? kadi erinjang.
Kembali sini. Ini erinjang. Ini jadi makupe. Ini nanti aku panas pisang kita balik pula. Hai. Kuda. Kuda. Kuda.
Thank you very much, Jola Group.
Antara hai. Sarahunde.
Aha. Sarahule, come in. Please, those people at the back, they want to see what is happening. Can you please go and sit down? They want to enjoy. Maybe Tahori. If I see you standing here, I fail you. If I see you standing here, I fail you.
Translate Sarahule's culture. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mare soriku, ya hakumirta hato honda hajambo. Wani Sarahulingani, Karo manyondi, ganu soriku rakatu. Karo Osombi, Awanati, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sukabe Fulbe on jarama. On jarama.
Golle Fulbe TV la take golle